We have a 15 by 65 Clausing Metosa gap bed engine lathe, model 1565 VS, serial number 32305. Machine was new in 2000. It also has a 23 and a half inch gap. So we're going to run it for you. Machine's variable speed. There's 3 ranges from 0 to 2300. Okay, that's forward and reverse. What range are we in? What range are we in?
We're in the low range.
Low range.
0 to 310.
0 to 310, okay. Machine also has a, okay, we're in the middle?
In the middle.
Okay, middle range. The machine also has a 2-axis Sony DRO. You can see it also has a digital tachometer. Right now we're going 500 and 400, 200. That's 600 RPM, okay. All right, now we're gonna go to the high range. High range, up to 2,000 again. That's 1,200, 1,500 RPM, 2,000 RPM, okay. Running the cross feed. You can see also on the DRO. Longitudinal feed. Engaged in the lead screw. And we're threading. That's the tailstock. Tailstock quill is a number 4 Morse taper with 6 inches of travel. Again, you have a follow rest, a steady rest, you have a 4-jaw chuck, a 3-jaw chuck. Machine has a Camlock D16 spindle with a 2-inch hole. This is original paint, and I think it's, you've seen it all. Thanks again for watching our video.